change of subject of the formula dealing with equation with square root. Examples. Given that 2 root x equals to a, make s the subject of the formula. Solution. We have 2 root x to be equals to a. Now, from what we have here, we want to make s the subject, and the s that we want to make the subject is inside what? The square root. Once the variable you want to make the subject is a term inside a square root or is a letter inside a square root, what do you need to do? You need to square both sides. In this case, we are going to square both sides. So I will write by squaring both sides. By squaring both sides. We have 2 root x raised to the power of 2 is equals to a raised to the power of 2. These two will affect each element in this term. We have 2 raised to the power of 2, root x raised to the power of 2 is equals to what? A squared. What is 2 squared? 2 times 2, that is what? 4. What about root x squared? Root x squared is same thing as root x times root x. Note, when you have root x squared, it's the same thing as what? Root x times root x. And this is the same thing as what? Root x times root x is what? Root x squared. And this will give us x. Take note of that. Now, in this case here, we have x as the result of this. So equals to what? A squared. I want to make x the subject of the formula. So it means that we need to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And what is that? 4. So 4x divided by 4 is equals to what? A squared divided by 4. 4 here, 1. 4 here, 1. It means that x equals to a squared over 4. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.